after the incursion, what I saw happening was heartbreaking. Trust me. As somebody who's there for a long time.
Right.
But I see things changing and I see the mindset changing and it's good.
What ran through your mind? Were you here?
No, I wasn't here, no. I wasn't here when it happened, but the security forces, they came with that mindset to, I think, to
Destroy Tivoli Gardens.
I know from I live here, there's a diversity in the people that live here.
Okay. All right.
We have people who are struggling, we have people who are all right. Understand?
Yeah.
There are different level of people here and people with different level of thinking.
Nestled in West Kingston, just minutes from Jamaica's capital, lies Tivoli Gardens, a community whose name has echoed far beyond its borders. Built in the late 1960s under the leadership of Edward Siaga, Tivoli Gardens was envisioned as a modern housing development, a structured, self-contained community designed to uplift and organize inner city life. Over time, however, its story became more complex. Like many garrison communities, Tivoli Gardens found itself entangled in political allegiance, economic struggle, and the grip of organized crime. For years, it carried the reputation of being one of Jamaica's most formidable strongholds, a place often defined by headlines of violence rather than the lives of the people within it. That reality reached a defining moment in 2010 during the Tivoli Gardens incursion, a military and police operation that drew global attention as authorities moved to extradite Kingpin Christopher Dudus Coke. The events of that time left deep scars and marked a turning point in the community's history. But this story is not about that chapter. This is Tivoli Gardens 16 years later. Beyond the narratives of the past, there is another reality, one shaped by resilience, pride, and everyday people redefining what their community means. Here, you'll find small business owners building livelihoods, students striving for excellence, families creating stability, and a culture rooted in strength and identity. Because Tivoli Gardens is more than what it was known for. This is a community still standing, still evolving, telling its own story. Today, we listen to the voices that matter, coming straight from residents' own mouths. Guided by advocate of Tivoli Gardens, Joseph Billy Joe Johnson, a man passionate about his community, loyal, patiently awaiting the return of his boss. This is the true story of Tivoli Gardens 16 years after the bloody incursion, hosted by the Grammy-honored vocalist Heather Cummings.
You know somewhere where Billy Joe live? Pungy Terrace. You know the park, Billy Joe Park? Yes. This is the park. Most of the graphic you see hide the shadow of what the incursion and the police force do to us. Tivoli Garden is a good place, a great place. Tivoli Garden is one of the most richest garrison, in which they say we are the mother of garrison. In my community, we have over 10 Benz, 15 BMW, 5 Jet Tour, hybrid vehicle all over the place. In here we got 3 doctors. Dr. Scott, Blackie from Top 10, the twin, and this other doctor from Derrick Park, I forgot his name. We have great footballers like Ricardo Fuller, Newton Shelton, Chemo, McDonald. All these great players come from here. Moreover, in West Kingston and in Tivoli Garden, in the years gone by, Colin Powell was in America beside the president. One of the president's spokesman. He's from Tivoli Garden. He went to Tivoli Garden High School. So this is a great place. A place of great people. People in the other world think we are uncivilized. They thought we are not capable. In the days gone by, when we go to look job, when we give Tivoli Garden address, people deny us, think we are the worst. But thank God I have Heather coming today in Tivoli Garden, walk with me to see, no, it's a lie to the other world. And she's seen the kind of world we are in Tivoli Garden. Yes, Tivoli Garden do miss Christopher Douglas Coke, because when he's here, although orders still kept by his son, we could leave our door open, and that's happening the same way. Nobody get robbed, nobody get raped, nobody get killed. After 7 o'clock, no kids is found on the street. All kids got to go in, and all of that. He was a man, a great man. And the biggest dream for Tivoli Garden right now, for Christopher Douglas Coke to come back, to regenerate and to transform Tivoli Garden in the new millennium, in this new atomic ages, in this new world. And I see he can do it, because he got a great influence on all other garrisons in Jamaica. Because when he started something, all other garrisons follow.
I'm Karen Linton. I'm a very proud citizen of West Kingston, especially Tivoli Garden, and I'm very happy and proud to be a citizen of this community. I can't sleep with my door open, and my business space they here from all long, and it is here. Nobody now broke it, nobody now think for come say them a come steal, nobody now come think for extort, and it's very wonderful living in Tivoli Garden. I can tell anyone I can recommend to Tivoli Garden. The negative thing that I need people to stop, because I work with the Ministry of Justice, and the negative things that I heard, like some people want to come here, now I'm afraid to come at Tivoli Garden because Tivoli Garden this and Tivoli Garden. No, stop it. Tivoli Garden is a very wonderful place. The negativity, that is what is bringing down the community, and that is not fair to us. Not fair. Because we are very good people down here. We have footballers, we have dancers, we have mugglers, everything you can think of. Come to Tivoli Garden.
I saw a young lady just walk by me with a gift basket. That's the first thing I saw. And then I saw 2 trophies and a certificate. Now, I want to say hi to Britalia Brown. Hi, Britalia.
Hi.
Now you go to, this is your mommy, right? Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Boy, mommy's smiling from ear to ear, and I can understand why. I've been doing very well in school with an average of over 80, and so today is the day for her to be very proud. Britalia, how are you?
Fine.
Now, you live in Tivoli Gardens.
Yes, miss.
Being honored, how do you feel today?
Good.
Now, this is because you have been a good girl, one. You've been focusing on school and you have been doing very well. You got, this is for excellence in social studies, 25 to 2026. And this one is just for excellence overall as a student. And I want you to talk so students watching can emulate you.
To do all the projects I get, homework, classwork, and to be to participate overall in class. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't. Can't is not a word.
And mommy, I cannot have this moment pass without also highlighting you, because you are the person behind her. You are her mom. And what has it been like for you as a mother supporting your child, your daughter, who has been doing so well in school?
Well, I always tell her to keep her head up, games up, chins up, and go forward. She's good at track and field, so she do sports at some point in time. So that is she doesn't really play.
I just say congratulations once again, Britalia. Keep on doing doing the best you can and achieving all the greatness, and make Tivoli Gardens proud.
Thank you.
Living to Tivoli Garden long time from Mississauga. Living in here. Me come here and live with my auntie, and my auntie dead, and me now staying in here. So me not go leave out of Tivoli. I mean, I leave Tivoli to go nowhere else to live.
I'm Heather Cummings, and guess what? Today, we're on Ramona Samuels TV, and we are in Tivoli Gardens, all right? We're highlighting the positives in Tivoli Gardens. We're highlighting businesses in Tivoli Gardens. We're at the bike stop, all right? I'm on the bike. I just circled the block and I came back. Yeah, I ride. Chunky wagwan. Come in, Chunky man. Because Chunky over there so fix a bike. Robin, you have to shoot. The bike expert, you know. Yeah, man. So big up. What's up, Chunky?
I'm there, man. Everything good.
Everything good, man. Everything governed. So you are the bike specialist in Tivoli Gardens. Are you the only person here who fix bikes?
Yeah, gradually. Me and my son.
So that's your son.
Actually,
So from when you have fixed bike? From your youth?
my own bike from me at 14, so I actually always have tool and, always one bike.
So tell me about the bike, where you just give me for a ride. What kind of bike this? Because I just know say it big and nice and sound good.
I am a MTO3.
Tell me about the Yamaha MTO3 now. What kind of specs it have, and tell me about the bike. Yeah.
Like all is a beginner rider, it's possible best for you.
So what you have to tell them, say me a beginner rider, Chunky? Chunky, after me a big up, Chunky! After me a big up, me think Chunky.
So,
Mash up the thing, Chunky. You tell them the thing. Alright, go on, talk to me about it.
it would be even so aggressive than just smooth for you to learn a fight before you go up on the bigger bike.
Oh, so the bigger one is what?
Like a 600. This is a 300. So the bigger bike it and dry you and frighten you. This wouldn't possibly.
That one I feel good. So you fix bikes in the community, and how do you do this? Like on a daily basis?
Most time when my cousin them, cause I have a lot of cousins and them have bike too. We just get the parts them and just normally if we go far, we can just do it. Right, so.
Yeah. And the thing about it, guys, is we want you to know that if you are in this environment or in the environs of Tivoli Gardens, neighborhood communities of Tivoli Gardens, and you have bikes, so you want to get them fixed, come look for Chunky. So Chunky, how people can find you?
Just most of our phone number we use,
So you do WhatsApp and them thing there?
Yeah.
So you want to share the number?
893-2785.
You look like a little school youth are just shy. 893-2.
785.
So that's 893-2785. Chunky, the bike man, him fix all bike, every type of bike, any bike you want fix. Call Chunky, WhatsApp him, and come get your bike fixed right here in Tivoli Gardens. Thank you, Chunky. Yeah.
People start fix up them place.
Yes.
Because they were shoot up.
Yeah.
Like a gunshot and things like that. This is Africa.
So I noticed that a lot of the buildings have holes in them.
Yeah.
So I guess that's
Most
from
of the graphic you saw.
Yeah.
Is to cover up the
graphics, yeah. Beautiful, by the way.
It's to cover up the shot holes them that they do to us. Look at this drawing here.
That's lovely.
Dead
Wow.
free.
Let's,
And the shot them cold tight.
yeah.
They render it like,
Right.
Yeah. People are developing place. Yeah. That's something that was on as well.
This is Africa.
In Tivoli Gardens.
In Tivoli Gardens. So we're in Africa right now. Hi.
Yeah.
How you doing?
How are you doing?
And what's your name?
Chino.
Chino.
After Dodo's gone, what's happening in Tivoli Gardens?
It's basically the same joy, enjoyment, fun. Basically
Party.
the same party, everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
So it's basically the same.
Yeah.
The journey
Go on, see ya.
continues. And we're
Hey
going
there.
up the road.
Ada, this man,
Yes.
this gentleman who's running from you,
Yes. Why is he running from me?
he's the councillor brother.
The councillor's brother. Why are you running from me?
Why are you running
You're
from
not
me?
running.
I'm not afraid of people. I don't run.
Okay, hi, how are you? My name is
Okay.
Heather Cummings. I'm just here today representing Ramona Samuels TV, and we're just highlighting positives and positivity in the community.
The first thing I see them doing the artwork, that's a positive thing. And I notice more people paying attention to their children, right? That's a good thing, and they're focusing on them going to school and all that. And I think that is a good thing, because in the past we haven't seen so much focus on things like that. People are more focused on themselves. And I see the positive change where people are focused on their children in terms of schooling and all that. And I think the community will be much better after that. Well, there was a downturn after that, And I think it affected everybody,
Yes.
the downturn, but I see over the past couple of years, things are changing. I think there's a different mindset, people more focusing on upliftment,
Yes.
right?
This is Zaki Avenue where people look at the houses in Zaki Avenue. It's a house competition. You see, everywhere you see sand and stone and mud. It's a house competition around here.
Oh, why do you call it a competition?
Everybody trying to fix their house.
Oh, whose house looks the best?
Yes.
Okay, that's why you call it a
Because
competition.
Desmond Mackenzie told them the prettiest house get XYZ.
Oh, that's a
Building
good
this
thing to do.
Development. Well, I'm taking you through Lovers Lane.
So we're walking through Lover's Lane.
At night, most lovers hang out because no light.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So that's why they call it Lover's Lane.
Look at that picture here.
Rasta Reggae.
Yeah.
One love. So you open every day?
Yes.
2 things that you like about Tivoli Gardens.
Well, 2 things that I really like about Tivoli Garden is that the people here, you have a kind of good amount of good people here in Tivoli Gardens. You also have people that help motivate youths to go for their future, and also friends and family. That's the only 2 positive things I can say about Tivoli Garden right now.
All right, Shaween, respect. Me see you bag out the rice too, Shaween. No worry, when hurricane they go on a country where me come from, and me bag out the rice. So me know it go. All right, respect. All right, cool. Shaween, take care. I have a young lady here with me. What's your name?
My name is Danielle.
Danielle. Do you live in Tivoli Gardens?
Yes, I do.
Okay, now tell me 2 positive things about Tivoli Gardens. 2 things that you can say, yeah, man, I love living in Tivoli, or 2 positive things that you've observed here in your community.
Okay, the 2 positive things that I observe in Tivoli Garden, it's a safe community for your children, and the people around here are nice. If you're in need of any help, you can ask around anyone and they will help you.
Observed, or a positive word that you want to leave for the youngsters here today?
Yeah, I would advise the young ladies to stay in school and to be act like a young ladies on the road, and to think positive and do not let any bad company lead you to do things that you don't want to do.
What are some of the good things that you can think of right now? You're talking about the good children. I'm sure they're good students and stuff here. So talk to us about that.
Good children and good living. You can go out to your bed and leave your door open and you're okay.
Everybody welcome to Tivoli Garden. We don't turn back nobody, hear that?
Yeah.
So if you want to come through and visit Tivoli, you can always come through. We no business if you not come from up the road, down the road, cross the road. Anyone want to come from around the road,
He's
hear
my
that?
first friend in Jamaica.
Yeah.
When I came
Tivoli
here,
Garden are the best community.
1988, he's my first friend in Tivoli
Also,
Garden.
Arnett Garden, best community. Demon Town, the best community. Everywhere in Jamaica is a great. Everywhere in Jamaica is great. All we need to do is unite, come together and build the country with the government. You understand me? Cool off of the crime and the violence and build the country with the government. You understand me? All get on need to know that. All get on need to know so if we come together. Tivoli, Jungle, Mobile, everywhere if we come together and help build the country. Cool off of the crime, because it not build the country, it a hold on the country. And we have a great country. We is a beacon in the world right now. Jamaica is a beacon. And we are light the world with culture, everything. So we need to organize, come together, go through all of the community, visit others, and just show love, you see me? Because love are the key to life, love. You understand me?
Over here is where the development of Tivoli Garden. This is where Miss Joyce, she's the one who helped the youth around here. She feed children. Oh my God, she's a great woman. Come and meet her. Come and meet this lady.
All right, we're going to go meet Miss Joyce now, guys.
She's a great woman. Yeah. Yeah.
Joyce.
This lady, in
Oh, I
Joyce.
hear so much about you. How you do? Give me a hug. Oh. Hi, Sean. How are you?
Party.
We don't business which party Sean come from. Any party. Hi. How are
Hey,
you?
come meet Joyce.
All right. So I'm coming over here.
Hey, not talk Joyce business before you talk to her.
Billy, allow Joyce to speak over. You know
She
what?
feed people,
Yeah,
she feed children, she pay school fee, she pay rent, she pay doctor bill, she pay with people, she buy 9 nights, set up 3 nights.
All right, so there you have it. Miss Joy don't need to introduce herself again. You know, cause Billy don't introduce her. Miss Joyce, how you do?
I'm good.
My name is Heather Cummings and I'm representing for the Voice Box today on Ramona Samuels TV. Now, Miss Joyce, talk to us. You live in Tivoli Gardens. I've heard such good things about you.
I used to live in here, Tivoli Gardens. I go to school here, but I don't live here anymore.
So you work here?
Yes, I work here.
All right, what's it like? Tell me 2 positive things. Just 2, you see? Easy. 2 positive things that you've observed being in the community of Tivoli Gardens.
Well, Tivoli Gardens is a nice place. Don't have a problem with it. Yeah.
Yeah. And what else?
And the people are nice, very nice people. If you don't trouble them, nothing happen.
Yeah.
She's a lady that if a young girl come to her and say, this time I'm going to start another market, you know. Give me 2 onions and 2 Irish and I'm going to start something. She give them. You know, she's a woman like that. She uplifting the community. After ever since Mr. Christopher Coke gone, she's the woman who playing the master role for West Kingston and Tivoli Gardens.
We've heard a lot about you and we are very happy that you have been making your contribution in Tivoli Gardens.
I help a lot of people. I put young people on the road to sell so that they won't have to rob people. Some of them pay, some of them don't come back and pay, but that's how it go. But I help a lot of people and I take care of old people as well. Send children to school, you know, who can't afford, parents can't afford it. Buy them uniform, school shoes, everything. And as you can see, I have so many people working for me all around, you know, because the goods are bad, so we have to
rebag, yeah, okay.
Right.
So you take out, I see you have a lot of potatoes here, so
Yes,
you basically take out the bad ones and rebag them.
Right.
Okay, cool.
So I have a plant, I also do plant farming, so my potato will be ready by next week. The one that I farm, local, and I buy local on it, but as you can see, they having too much rain, so they're not good, they spoil. So what me doing now, I try to see if I can repick them and see what I can get out of them. It's on the stall. Those are
the onions, right?
Those are local, and under there, it's local to the yellow bag. They are all local, but because the rain was falling, so I cover them.
Okay.
But they are spoiled, but I'm gonna see what I can get out of them.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Joyce, and thanks for having us stop by your business place today.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. So we're talking to the good mechanic right here in Tivoli Gardens. How you doing? What's your name?
Edwards.
Edwards?
Delroy.
Edwards. All right, so Delroy, talk to me now. What kind of car you fix and so?
The body.
You're the body man?
Yeah.
Then that if you tell me, man. You tell me say you're the mechanic, but now you gone little
body
deeper.
man, the body
You spray a car and him something.
Yeah, all of them do them.
So you say if somebody lick somebody car, then can come find you?
Yes.
So where are you located? Right
Just,
so?
just right here, same
So right at Miss Joyce.
Miss Joyce, everyone know me.
So,
I cannot go nowhere
and
hide.
then don't know.
Can't hide nowhere.
Can't go nowhere and hide.
Officer,
So you know.
officer know me. Out of Darling Street, yes, so them know me. Me used to work up at barracks, up at the South Camp Road, this part, the police themselves.
Yeah.
I do up there about 8 years.
The kind of people work for Joyce in the community. She look for the disabled, the homeless, and people who they have not to help out. These are 2 of his hard workers. Snow, he cannot always speak. And this young man, look at him.
Talk all right.
No.
So how you doing? You live in Tivoli?
Yeah,
What you like about Tivoli?
very nice.
It nice?
Yeah,
What nice?
community.
Community nice? All right. So you dance a lot and enjoy yourself? You know dance? You tap dance?
Yeah,
So what you do now?
I work.
You work. That's nice.
We
so you're
work.
working in the community.
Anti-jive.
Auntie Joy. You work with Auntie Joy? Oh, nice. So Auntie Joy doing a lot of good things
Auntie
and
Joy.
you love her, right?
Yeah, man.
Jive.
Straight up.
You see? Me love Auntie Joy straight up. Auntie Joyce, him just say me love you, you know. So big up yourself, because it just means that, sometimes when the people speak, that's all you need. Yes.
In by medication.
You take care of him. What's your name?
Ajar Louis.
Acharut?
Ajar Louis.
Ajar Louis. All right, so Ajar, what happened to your foot?
Born so and then broke.
Oh, so you were born like this. How old are you?
Yeah, 15.
Okay, so they did surgery to
Ajar
carry
is
it back
they
to
doing
this.
surgery.
Okay, so this is it's actually healing now, right?
Yeah.
So then they're going to take this off, and then you should be able to walk better, right?
Yes.
So you feel good.
Yes.
So you got assistance to do this in your community.
Yes.
These containers have onion, peas, garlic, everything for the market, furniture market. These establishments were built after the incursion. This church were constructed after incursion. Yeah. They're in there? Yeah.
Positive things of Tivoli. 2 things that you like.
What I like about my community, always nice. Nobody getting hurt. No robbery. No rape. Everything alright.
When I was a kid, my father used to say, I'm not his child. I'm Edward Siago child. Because my mother was the #1 branch leader for Tivoli Gardens. He sent me to Lynn State to live, my mother, because she and my daddy couldn't agree. Because she said, Siaga is my father. Look at my nose. You go to birth back, that's on Siaga. I'm Edward George Philip Siaga's son, but I keep it low. Because my mother said to keep it low.
I'm Sergeant Silbert Campbell. I'm the station commander for the Tivoli Gardens Police Post.
What is it like to serve every day here?
All right, so I've been working in Tivoli Gardens for over 16 years, right? Immediately after the Tivoli Gardens operations, joint military operations, and it has been going great. And what I have seen since I've been here is that, well, in comparative what I heard prior to coming here, is that the residents are very interactive. They accept us as police officers within the community and we work along with them. Also, what I have seen is that whatever distraction that were here prior to maybe defensive towards police officers coming to the community, we are not seeing that anymore. And it is important that we has implemented community-based policing within the community, where we have widely publicized meetings, we have regular community meetings. As a matter of fact, tomorrow we'll be having a widely publicized meeting over by Rasta City.
Yes, we
Right,
went there, yes.
right. We're going to have a widely publicized meeting there tomorrow, and we're going to invite stakeholders to come in and speak with residents in the community. So those are partnerships that we have going within the community. Within the community, and also we have a visit that we do at the Tivoli Gardens High School every Monday morning. Yes, we speak with the students there because sometimes we have a little behavioral challenges here and there, but they have improved over the period of time since we have been going there and speaking with them. We also have our visits to the Chinlai Health Center also on a Monday morning, where we speak to the patients and talk to them about just fostering that proper relationship with the police within the community, and it is working very well. The Tivoli Gardens community is a very nice place, I can tell you that, and the residents are very appreciative of our efforts within the state. Yeah.
And the residents have been really kind to us today, and we have felt great, like walking through Tivoli. It's been a great experience, and I just want to say thanks for talking to us.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
All right, guys. So, we're wrapping up things in Tivoli today. And as usual, we like to highlight at least one business in a community where we visit. All right. So we're here with a friend of ours. He's been one of our tour guides for the entire time. And I want him to introduce himself. He's a businessman here in the Tivoli Gardens community. And we'd like to just do a little highlight on his business. Hi, what's up?
Hi, I'm welcome.
Yes. And what's your name? I want you to tell persons so they can acknowledge and recognize you.
Well, I'm Ryan Taylor, the owner of Digit Graphics / Digit Travel. So it is two business in one.
Right.
Also coming in on a third business with Chillax Bar.
Mm-hmm.
Also, so currently Digit Travel is being taken off to do some international players visa the other day.
Mm-hmm.
And so hopefully, they will be going on their trip coming next month.
So DigiTravel focuses on applications for visas.
Well, it is a variety of...
And tours.
Well, it is a variety of business that we do, because we have mason in work as well too. We have electrician, we have plumbers. We do also door access, buzzer bell, and so forth, camera installation, cable, Wi-Fi extender, so forth. So if you have a Wi-Fi at your house and it now reach some places in your house, we can extend
the extenders
right around.
Okay, so you install those things and everything.
Right.
All right. So you do all of that. You do the travel business. You do visa applications. You also you do graphics.
Yes, we do.
And what kind of graphics?
Well, graphics in terms of photo printing, posters, and etc.
So persons in this area of Tivoli or outside of the community, it doesn't matter, and they want to find you as a graphic designer in Tivoli Gardens, do you have Instagram handle, or how can they reach you?
Well, currently we don't have a social media page actively.
Yeah.
But our business number is 7580721, which is the landline. And also we have 3673160, that is our secretary, where you can call and guide you to whatever you would like to do. And 3673025.
All right.
Those are the number that you can reach on WhatsApp.
So that's 3 numbers, and you gave us a WhatsApp number in that. All right. So Mr. Taylor.
Yeah,
It's Mr. Taylor. Yes. Thank you so much. And before I go, I just want to ask you, as a businessman in the community, and even as somebody living here, what are 2 things that you like? What are 2 things that you can highlight? 2 positive things about living in Tivoli Gardens.
All right, Tivoli is a community that have been a lot of rumors on the outside. But when you come inside Tivoli, it is a different feeling, different experience when you come inside. So my advice to the outsiders who that hear about Tivoli, come and experience Tivoli yourself. Because even uptown, I'm an individual I come across middle class, poor life, first class, me encounter all of that. So me can tell you that when me in Reddills living with my grandmother, if we are at the back of the yard, we have to lock up the front. And if we are at the front of the house, we have to lock up the back. In Tivoli, you don't have to lock up nowhere, whether you're here or not. You don't have to lock up nowhere. So you can go about your business, come back where you feel like this. You can't leave it open as much as them invaluable to me. You can't leave it open. Nobody now come.
So you feel safe, and it's not that you feel living in this area or this community or having a business here that you have to be like on your P's and Q's and watching over your head. You feel safe. And that's
very
good.
safe.
Thank you. Thank you so much for bringing us in your business place, for accommodating us, and for helping us to tour all around today.
Yeah,
we appreciate it, and we wish you all the best in your endeavors, all right?
Yeah.
And keep on waving the flag for Tivoli Gardens.
I will do. I will have Tivoli Gardens my best interest, and there's a lot of entertainment in doing it. You have football development, you have the Premier League, even though they're not playing to them standard, no, but we still have a lot of people. We have people go college, we have people who do doctor and all of them, and come from Tivoli Garden.
Awesome. All right, well, thank you so much, guys. That's a wrap. It was awesome being on Ramona Samuels TV today. My name is Heather Cummings. On behalf of the entire production team, Ramona Samuels, our production assistant, our camera person, Robin, thank you so much. Have a great one and keep watching.